How to change your email password in Outlook 2016. This video assumes you already have an existing email account and it's configured in Outlook. Now let's learn how to change our email password. Click the File tab. Then click Account Settings and Account Settings again. Highlight the email account for which you want to change the password, then click Change. To change your password, simply enter your new password, then click Next. Please note that changing your password here does not change your email password where your email is hosted. The password you enter here must match what your password is set to where it is hosted. You would only have to change your password here if your email password is ever changed or needs updating on the email server where your email is hosted. Click Close, then click Finished. That's it. Your email password has been changed in Outlook, so as long as it matches the password at the email server where it's hosted, Outlook will be able to connect to it. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to change your email password in Outlook.